Jude Bellingham, one of the best player in Europe right now. Everybody knows him. But here are the 5 facts I guaranteed you won't know about Bellingham. Fact number 5. जैक ग्रिलिश और डिक्लन राइस की तरह बेलिंगम भी आयरलैंड फुटबॉल टीम को रिप्रेजेंट कर सकता था. Yes guys, it's crazy to think about him playing an international football for Ireland. The only reason is his grandmom is Irish. और तो जूड के बचपन के एक पिक्चर भी है wearing Irish football jersey. Now this make him qualify for an Irish passport. The only reason is his genetic advantage. तुम सब जानकर हैरान रहोगे कि जूड को कभी भी एक प्रोफेशनल फुटबॉलर नहीं बनना था. हाँ, बंदे ने खुद से ही कन्फेस किया है in one of his interview. So watch it.
Just couldn't. If any ball that came near me, I'd just pick it up and throw it back. I was never interested. He would take me to this place, PSI, where I'd go and have a kickabout. And the only thing I was interested in was like the cat and mouse races at the start. And then after that, I'd literally just pick grass for an hour. And my mum was like, he ain't going anymore. And I don't know, I can't remember the day at the time. It just clicked and I was like, I want to play in a team. I want to play this position. I want to wear this number. I want to do this. I want to do that. I want to be a professional footballer. I want to play for Birmingham.
Number 4. The arms out celebration. One of the most famous celebrations nowadays. This celebration is too old when he was used to play for Birmingham City. He does this celebration for first time by scoring a crucial goal against Charlton in 2019. After that, now it's an iconic celebration. According to me, Messi and Ronaldo के एरा के बाद most famous and known celebration is Jude Bellingham's celebration. और कभी कभी मैं भी वो celebration use करता हूँ to celebrate after scoring a goal. Fact number 3. A 17-year-old most expensive player. Birmingham City knows they have world-class prospect in Jude Bellingham, and just because of that, they agreed a 25 million euro deal with Dortmund. Later, he became the youngest Bundesliga captain and also 6th youngest captain in football history. Number 2, a savior of a club. Yes, Jude saves the club by going bankrupt. Birmingham City was on the path of bankruptcy, but by selling Jude to Dortmund, saved the club by financial disasters. His departure was not just a transfer but a lifeline for Birmingham City, which proves that Bellingham was a true asset for his club. And number 1 fact is that he is the highest goal scorer as a midfielder for Real Madrid in 21st century. Bellingham ka Madrid aana is one of the best signing for Madrid, and one more impressive thing is that he outscored both Ronaldo and Di Stefano by scoring most goals in first 15 games for Real Madrid. He also became highest goal scoring midfielder for Real Madrid in a single season. Just wow. Jude सारे needs perfectly fill करता है to be a finest Galactico. He is also the first youngest Englishman to score in UCL and second youngest player to score in Euro. It seems like he is smashing record just like a goat of Bernabeu. Let's see how Jude Bellingham fulfills the fans' expectations in future. Comment down your thoughts about Bellingham and don't forget to subscribe.